Easy to make baked ravioli. Ingredients you'll need: frozen or fresh ravioli, marinara sauce, or your preferred pasta sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, dried oregano or Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, olive oil. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to prepare for baking. Step 2. Precisely bring a pot with 4 cups of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Cook the ravioli for about 20-25 minutes or few less than the recommended time since they'll continue cooking in the oven. Drain the ravioli and set aside. Step 3. Grease a baking dish with a thin layer of olive oil to prevent sticking. Step 4. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce on the bottom of the greased baking dish. Place a single layer of cooked ravioli on top of the sauce. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the ravioli. Repeat these layers until you've used up all the ravioli. Step 5. Sprinkle some dried oregano or Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper over the top of the layered ravioli. Step 6. Finish by adding a generous layer of grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the dish. Step 7. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for 20-25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the edges are golden brown. Step 8. Once baked, remove the dish from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the cheese to set slightly and makes it easier to serve. Step 9. Serve and enjoy. You can serve it with additional marinara sauce and a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley for garnish if desired. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a couple of days. To reheat, you can use the oven or microwave. That's it. Enjoy your delicious homemade baked ravioli. Thanks for watching.